Okay, here we are. This is the hackthis.co.uk website. I think it's a lot better than the hackthisite.com, simply because it's just got so many more levels and difficulty ratings. Alright, so what we're going to start off with is you need to register, or you need to just go ahead and log in, which is what I will do now. Alright, we logged in. First thing you want to do is, after you've logged in, is go to levels, and we'll start with main and level 1. Entering your normal username and password won't get you anywhere. So what you want to do first is you probably want to just go ahead and show the hint. Most of these first levels, the easiest thing you're going to start off with is viewing the page source. And just right click and hit view page source. It'll bring you to this page where you can view the source code that this page runs off of. Now to get to where we're at, you need to go ahead and hit Control F, which is the search function. Type username and hit enter, and it'll bring you to down here where it will show you basically where we are right now. This field set is this part right here. So that is basically the area that we're looking for to find the username and the password. Now this one is very easy. It just goes ahead and says right here, username in, password out. So I'm going to go back over here, and we're going to type in and out and submit, and level complete. Next, see, this one looks exactly the same. Now show hint, it's just expanding on the idea. The best place is always the source code in these levels. So right click again, hit view page source. I'll close out that other one. Control F, username, enter, and here we are again. Now see, it says label for the user, the username, which is this part. And next to it is the class black. And black is the font color. With this black background, it says resu. Now if we highlight this, it'll show us, it says it right here, resu, and that's the username, resu. Now, assuming this is the same for this one, class black, yes, it's the same. So just highlight again here, and we have sap, and that is user and pass backwards. So a little bit of comedy going on here. Level 3, it looks about the same as the other ones. So again, hit show hint. It says using JavaScript to secure your site or show an incorrect login is very risky, but this has obviously been overlooked while coding this page. So this guy was sloppy. I suppose the other guys, which weren't, no, not. That was a joke. Alright, username again. Alright, this is username, and it'll show us username and the user autocomplete off, and it's going to have a submit button right there. And since this is JavaScript, well, we're going to go ahead and Control F and type JavaScript, and we'll look for the one we want. Here we are. See, this is a function. JavaScript is a function for each website, and when you click it, it says if the user value is exactly, that's what 2 equal signs means, exactly heaven, and the document pass value is exactly hell, it's correct login. Else, alert incorrect login. So if I type in blah 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 and blah blah blah, we get incorrect login, which is this part. So we're looking for the value to be exactly heaven and the value of the password to be exactly hell. So here we go, we're going to type in heaven, and here we're going to type in hell, and submit, and level complete. Oh shocker, another login page. Alright, let's show hint. Sometimes extra hidden fields are added to the form which contains extra information for the login script. Again, this is very easy for anyone to gain access to as it's clearly shown in the source code. Sometimes these fields contain very important information. Alright, view page source again. Let's go to username. Alright, see, right here it says hidden password file, extras sap.xml. So we're going to see if we can copy that, duplicate that page, and do this, and hit Control V, which is paste, and go here. It says documentary. Okay, the name is the test, and the username is 999, the password is 911. So here we go, 999, and here we're going to go 911, and see if this works. Success. Alright, gonna hit next, and oh, see, this is different. This is an automatic alert, so you can't click around here. So you have to hit OK, and we're gonna get the incomplete. So let's show hint. This is slightly more complicated. Alright, let's view the page source again, see what we can get. JavaScript. I'm not seeing, that's not what we want. Nope, that's ads. Nope, here we are. Language JavaScript, that's what we want. And this is, it's a variable password, so it's just naming something. The password prompt is password, that's what it says when you open it up. And if the pass is equal to 9286JAS, I'm going to go ahead and right click and copy that. So here we go. You'll see if that's the right page. Let's see if we can refresh. And here we go. Paste. Okay. And level complete. Good job, us. Login is Ronald. Alright. So for this one, let's see. Username John, Peter, David, and Sam. Ronald isn't an option. The page is coded to let only one user in, but there's no Ronald in the list. Well, since I'm using Google Chrome, the best of the three main browsers, Firefox and Internet Explorer, there is a pretty simple developer tool which you can get if you hit Control, Shift, and I, and brings up this little thing. Or you can right click and hit Inspect Element, and that'll bring you right to the section you want. From here, go ahead and go here, and from here we can edit each of these. So from here now I can put in, instead of John, I can put in Ronald and hit enter, and now Ronald is the option. So submit. Level complete. Next. Show the hint again. This password is again stored in a TXT file. However, it's not as straightforward as viewing the source. So viewing the source won't help us here. So I'll just show you username. We can't get anything from this. This is not giving us anything except telling us the username and the password is there. The most important part of this hint is you wouldn't even find this page by using a search engine, as search bots have been excluded. Now each web page has a section on it where they can choose to let the search bots that crawl through the internet and gather search data for Google and such, what they want to be shown and what they don't want to be shown, and that is stored in a robots.txt file. So if we duplicate this page and go to robots.txt, this will bring us this page. See, allow, disallow, and this means is what you can't have. Alright, so this text, see, this is the only txt file here, and that's a text file. So if we go here, copy, paste, and hit enter, you bring up this, and that I'm assuming is the username, that I assume is the password. So copy, and paste, and copy, and paste, and submit, and that should be it. Good job. Level complete. Alright, level 8. This one looks the same again. This coder's made the same mistake in level 4, but at least he's trying to protect the password. The password has been encrypted to convert the binary into something that's easier for humans to read, base 16. Alright, let's view the page source, and I believe what level 4 is the JavaScript screw up. So let's see what we can find. Nope, that's ads. Nope, that's ads. Let's try username. hidden password file, extras secret.txt. Alright, see, so it's in this extras secret.txt file. Copy. Duplicate. Let's just start off to type it out again. Alright, see right here. That's where we're gonna go. And now we've got this, and we've got this. And that's binary code. So, if I'm correct, we can use our calculator to solve this. Oops. Alright, calculator. We're going to use the programmer section. Type in bin, that stands for binary. I'm going to go 1011 000 000. Hold on. I think I need 2 more zeros. Alright. And then 1011. And then turn that into hex. And that is B00B. Boo. It's funny. Ha. B00B. Make sure you use capitals or else this won't work, I think. Alright, next one. Let's, where's clear? Clear? No, let's see. Shit. Alright. Bin again. Binary. 1111 1110 shit. 1110 1101. And hex again. Feed. So here we go. Capital F, capital E, capital E, capital D. Submit. Alright. Complete again. I think that's the end of the levels. I think there's 10, yeah. Show hint. Is there any way you can change the email form to help you? Can you explain it to send the login details? Alright, let's inspect this and see what we can get. Because I imagine I can't just send to any email. That's what I'm thinking. Alright, the type, the address, the value is it'll only send it to admin@hackthis.co.uk. So, since we're in the inspect element, and this is a developer tool where we can edit this stuff, we can go ahead and put in our email. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my throwaway email, but I'm not going to go ahead and put in my email. Alright, let's hit this, and then we'll type in here, jackbfoster@gmail.com, and submit. And the email is sent, so I'll hit home. That's my gmail.com. One, copy. Let me screw that space. And 32UH6, copy, and paste. Submit. And another one, success. Alright, let's close these. Show hint. Encrypted passwords can be quite difficult to decode, especially when it's a common method. There's usually a way to get around it, especially when the encrypted information are simple words. Shit, that's not what I wanted to do. View the page source. Alright, username. I wonder if it's another TXT file. It's in a level 10. It's a Hotmail file. Alright, copy. And let's go here and duplicate this. And what's the level 10 pass? Alright, so I think I'm going to have to go to extras. And put in the slash shit. Let's see if this works. Yep, here we go. Now, this obviously isn't the password, because it says it's encrypted. It's also absurdly long. So see if we can figure out what this was encrypted with. It's an MD5 encryption. See? Alright, so pretty easy. Just Google MD5 decoder. Alright, looks like 2929 MD5 hash code. Decodes to admin. So the username, I'm assuming, is admin. Just usually top and bottom, username admin. Copy, and we'll do this again with the bottom number, 995, and decode, and this decodes to password. How convenient. Alright, so PASSWORD. Submit. Success. We have successfully completed levels 1 through 10 in the main section. Next, I'll be going on to jobs. I'll probably go to the crypt one next, just because I think that one's really fun, and we'll be done with that.